Hey everyone. Okay, so I'm finally going to be able to get through some of this Canva AI stuff for you, some of the new features, all that. Today, I'm going to show you something really cool that I really wish was around a long time ago. However, I feel like it will come in handy. I use Loom and it gives me transcript and all that. However, this is pretty cool. So if you need to screen record, while you're doing tutorials, I can never say that word, in Canva, here's an easy way to do it. So here we go. You can press the create button here and just so you know, I'm on a desktop, okay? And then when you open this up, a window like this, and you see this screen recorder, there's Canva, Magic, all these things. So you just click on this, and then and then open it. It has you open the Canva desktop app, which that's what I have. I work on both desktop and the app. Um, yeah, either one is fine, but this is a desktop app. And see how it's just going to open up like that, and then you can just say here, you can record it. So I'm going to show you one that I did earlier. But yeah, you can just press that button and then record. So let me go back. The one thing I didn't figure out is how to move myself, but it's either not possible or I just am looking in the wrong place. But here is my screen recording I did earlier. So it makes it as like a design, a project. So you'll find it in your projects, not like video uploads or anything. So here it is. And let's see here. Here's the preview of it. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So, and you can edit in here. You can, what are some audio tools? You can enhance the voice. I'm not quite sure what that means, but hey, we'll, we'll pick it. Anything to enhance my voice, right? Okay, and let's see here. Yeah, I think, so I feel it will be just perfectly fine doing screen recording in Canva now. And then you can come over here and let's see here. What options does it allow you to do? You can download it. You can present it. Uh, yeah, you can even give a public view link to it. So there's that. All right, well, I don't mind this feature. So where I found it, once again, let's go to home. I just don't have patience there. And how I got to that is create and right here under quick actions. So